Hello everyone, good evening. At this time, I am lying on this bed and making this video for all of you. In this video, I am going to tell you what I did whole day today and what I am going to do tomorrow. So keep watching this video from beginning to end. Now, let's get started. So, first of all, I got up at 5:30 a.m. in that morning. Then I brushed my teeth properly. I washed my face nicely. Then I took a bath in the bathroom. And after taking a bath, I had my breakfast. As soon as I finished eating my breakfast, I directly went to institute for teaching my students basic English language. My students were eagerly waiting for me at the institute, and as soon as I entered the class at that institute, I greeted my students politely. Then, after, I asked them whether they have completed their homework or not, whether they had practiced speaking or not. So students were really very excited seeing me in the class, and I was really hungry to teach my students basic English language. My students were really very curious to learn grammar lessons and practice speaking accordingly. I taught basic English language to different groups of my students. After teaching for 3 hours, I returned home and I had my lunch. Then, after, I took a rest for an hour. I slept for a while, and as soon as I woke up, then I started singing songs because I love singing songs. I love singing or singing loves me. I'm confused here, but I wanna make you clear that singing is really a part of my life. Singing refreshes my mind. Singing really makes me feel energized. That's why I always sing songs, my favorite songs, and in this way, I spent my time in afternoon, and after spending time in the afternoon, in the evening, I started reading my favorite books. See here, I have kept my GK book, general knowledge book, and just below GK book there is a Holy Bible. I read these types of valuable books because I know the importance of reading such valuable books, useful books, because these useful books give us a lot of knowledgeable things and we become knowledgeable. So you people also keep reading books, your favorite books, because reading book is a good habit. It makes, it strengthens our capacity. It helps to build up our confidence. If you are a good reader, you can become a good speaker. That's why I always try to read even a single page every single day, thinking that if I read a lot, I become a good speaker in the days to come. So that I read, I practice my speaking. So in the evening time, I had my dinner. Before having dinner, I took a bath nicely in my bathroom, and then I had my dinner with my parents sitting together, and at this time I am lying on my bed and making this video for all of you. And after an hour, after editing my videos, after an hour, I am going to sleep tonight, and I wish you all have a beautiful night, have a beautiful dream. So now I would like to end up my video. See you in the next video. This much for now. Good night. Bye bye.